Hi, hello, namaste. Welcome to my channel Max My Heartbeat. So, you all know that we are discussing our basic mathematics along with IIT JEE for classes 11th and 12th. So today, in our today's class, let us continue our basic mathematics. The chapter which we are discussing is perimeter and area. In that, I have discussed about definition of perimeter and how to find out perimeter. I have derived some formulas related to perimeter of closed figures, that is equilateral triangle, square, rectangle and regular polygon. Definition also I have explained, and after that I have given some formulas related to perimeters of regular polygons, that is regular pentagon, regular hexagon and regular octagon. But I have not said, we have not discussed how to do problems related, right? So today, in our today's class, let us do some problems. I want to explain with examples how to solve problems related to perimeter. Okay, shall we start now? Are you all excited? Let's get started. So now, first problem, perimeter. Practice problems. Okay, so first problem, find the perimeter of an equilateral triangle. Find the perimeter of an equilateral triangle whose side is, for suppose I want to take 5.4 centimeters, something like this. Okay, find the perimeter of equilateral triangle whose side is 5.4 centimeters. So now, how to find out? First, if we don't know anything related to this question, we know the basic thing. For suppose you know what is an equilateral triangle, then first you draw the equilateral triangle. In mensuration, related to geometry, problems related to geometry, figure gives the great idea, give exact idea about how to solve a problem. Right? So if you don't remember the formula, but you know what is an equilateral triangle. What is an equilateral triangle? Equilateral triangle means a triangle in which all three sides are equal. Right? So he has given that side is 5.4 centimeters. So let us suppose this triangle is ABC. Okay? And you don't know the formula. And you know every side is 5.4, right? So 5.4, 5.4, 5.4. Right? So perimeter is equal to sum of all sides. So AB plus BC plus CA. Right? Three sides are there here. So AB, BC, CA, and we know that all sides are equal. So 5.4 plus 5.4 plus 5.4. So add. Very easy. So 5.4, 5.4, 5.4. So 4, 4, 8, 8 plus 4, 12, 15 plus 1, 16. So what is the answer? 16.2 centimeters. Right? This is very easy problem. But some members will be lagging in learning mathematics. For them, this is the very simple shortcut. If you don't remember any formulas, then this is very easy problem. How to remember? Equilateral triangle, only definitions are enough, no need of formulas. Understood? But without definitions we can't do anything. But definitions are must and should. Either formulas you should learn or concept you should learn. Then only you can do problems perfectly. Understood? So here equilateral triangle means all three sides are equal. And we know that each side is 5.4. Just add 3 times 5.4, you will get answer. Simple. Clear? So now let us do one more example. Okay, let us do formula based now. So what is the formula? Formula perimeter of equilateral triangle is 3 into side. Right? So 3 into side is how much? 5.4. Like this also you can do. So 5.4 into 3. 3 4s 12, 3 5s 15 plus 1 16. Here also we are getting the same answer, 16 centimeters. But here we need to know the formula, that is 3 into side. Clear? But if we don't know the formula, then we can go for sum of all sides. By taking each side as 5.4, add 3 sides, then you will get the answer. Simple. Understood? So next problem. So find the side of an equilateral triangle. Find the side of an equilateral triangle whose perimeter is for suppose simple, I am taking 15.6 centimeters. Okay. Find the perimeter of equilateral triangle whose perimeter is side of equilateral triangle whose perimeter is 15.6 centimeters. Okay. Now in the previous problem we know the side, we have calculated perimeter. Now we know the perimeter, we need to calculate the side. Understood? So let us solve. So first take perimeter of given perimeter of equilateral triangle is equal to 15.6 centimeters. Okay. So listen, very simple shortcut is there. We know that equilateral triangle means all three sides are equal, right? So the sum of all three sides is given 15.6. I want each side. So when I divide each side, I mean perimeter by 3, then I am going to get each side, right? Why? Because here 3 equal sides. I want one side. So what we'll do? So side is equal to perimeter divided by 3. Very simple. That is 15.6 divided by 3. Cancellation 3 table. 3 ones 3, 3 5s 15, 3 2 6. So my answer is 5.2 centimeters. Very easy, right? So side of equilateral triangle is how much? 5.2 centimeters. Clear? So these are the two important problems related to perimeter of equilateral triangle. Next, let us go for perimeter of square. So they are also same. Okay. Next question. Example. Find the perimeter of a square with side. Okay, how much? 7.6 centimeters. Okay. Find the perimeter of square with side 7.6 centimeters. So solution. Very easy. So square. If you know, first draw the square diagram. Square means 4 sides of equal length like this. Clear? Mention the names. I mean, give the letters. Give the vertices names like this A, B, C, D. Okay? And then when mention the sides now. A, B is 7.6 centimeters. B, C is also 7.6 centimeters. C, D is also 7.6 centimeters. And D, A is also 7.6 centimeters. Right? So, perimeter. So, if you know the general formula, then you can use the general formula, that is the sum of all sides. So, AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. So, all are equal, right? So, 7.6 plus 7.6 plus 7.6 plus 7.6. How many times? 4 times. If you want, you can add. If not, multiply. Both are same. So, 7.6, 7.6, 7.6, 7.6. See here, when we don't know mathematics, then addition is the very simplest method of doing problems. So first go for addition. 6 1 6 6 6 plus 6 2 1, 12 plus 6 18, 18 plus 6 24. Right? 7 plus 2 9, 9 7 16, 16 plus 7 23, 23 plus 7 30. Right? My answer is 30.4 centimeters. Clear? This is how we have to find the perimeter when we don't know the formula. But when we know formula, then how? Very easy. No need to draw the diagram now. Why? Because we know the formula already. So when we know the formula, then we can take the formula directly. 4 into side. So that is equal to 4 into side how much? 7.6 centimeters. So multiply now. 7.6 into 4. 4 6 are 24. 4 7 is 28 plus 2 30. So here also I am getting the same answer, 30.4 centimeters. Understood? So that's why when we know the concept, again I am repeating, when we know the concept, we don't need to remember the formulas. Just by drawing the diagram and understanding what is given in the question, we can solve the problem very easily. Understood? That's why when you are learning concept, please try to remember what is being said. Square. Basic things about square. What is a square? Square means all sides are of equal length. How many sides will be there? 4 sides. So if one side is given, when we add 4 times the same side, then we are going to get the perimeter. Understood? Very easy and very simple. No need to get complicated at all. Understood? That's why. Next. So this is the third example. Now when perimeter is given, find out side. How to do that? Okay? Let us discuss. So find the side of a square whose perimeter is, okay, this time I am going for simple quick calculation, that is 76 centimeters. Okay, so find the side of a square whose perimeter is 76 centimeters. Simple. So now already perimeter is given. So perimeter, given perimeter is equal to, if not perimeter of square is equal to 76 centimeters. Okay, now we know side. So side of a square is equal to, so perimeter means sum of how many sides now? 4 sides. So perimeter should be divided by 4. So perimeter divided by 4. Right? So perimeter how much? 76 divided by 4. 4 table. 4 ones 4. 4 ones 4. 4 nines 36. So my answer is 19 centimeters. If not, if you are not able with calculation, then cancellation is not possible, means then we can go for division. Both methods are possible. 4 ones 4. So 7 minus 4 is 3. 36. 7 nines 36. So 0. So my answer is 19. Understood? Very simple and very easy problems related to perimeter. Clear? So next, let us go for perimeter of rectangle, and remaining will continue in our next class. So now just let us discuss about only perimeter of rectangle. Okay? So example, find the perimeter of a rectangle with length is equal to how much? Okay, let us take 7.2 centimeters and breadth 5 centimeters. Simple problem. Okay, so find the perimeter of rectangle with length 7.2 centimeters and breadth 5 centimeters. Okay, so now we have to see what is given in the question. Perimeter of which figure is asked? Rectangle. So solution. So draw the rectangle first. Okay, what you have to draw? Rectangle. And we know that already I have said in a rectangle opposite sides are equal. I mean pairs of opposite sides are equal. So length becomes here L is equal to 7.2 centimeters. Okay, here also L you take 7.2 centimeters. Why? Because pairs of opposite sides are equal. Means if this is length, this is also length. This is breadth, this is also breadth. So B is equal to 5 centimeters. So here also B is equal to 5 centimeters. Okay. Now let us find perimeter. So we know that perimeter is equal to sum of all sides, right? AB, BC, CD and DA. If we add them, we are going to get perimeter. So AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. So AB is how much? 7.2 centimeters plus 5 centimeters plus 7.2 centimeters plus 5 centimeters. So 7.2 plus 5 plus 7.2 plus 5. So let us add. So 7.2, 5.0. 5 is nothing but 5.0 plus again 7.2 plus 5.0. 2 plus 2 is 4. 7 plus 5, 12. 7 plus 5, 12. So 24. So my answer is 24.4 centimeter is my answer. Okay. So this is when we don't know the formula. Here down only I will do when we know the formula. That is 2 times of length plus breadth. This is R. Means this is second method. Okay. This is first method. This is second method. Second method is direct method. 2 into length how much? 7.2 centimeters plus 5 centimeters. So that is equal to 2 into 7 plus 5 is 12. So 12.2 centimeters. So 12.2 into 2. Then we will get 24.4 centimeters. See here 12.2 into 2. 2 2 is 4, 2 2 is 4, 2 1 is 2. So 24.4 centimeters. Understood? So this is the basic concept. I mean some practice problems related to perimeter or first concept perimeter. Still so many concepts, I mean so many figures we need to know, that is perimeter of regular pentagon, regular hexagon, regular octagon, and also how to find length when breadth and perimeter are given, and how to find breadth when length and perimeter was given. That remaining cases, whatever remaining are there, that we will discuss in our next class. And I hope you really like my video. If you really like my video, please share my video to your friends and inform them to subscribe my channel, so that if you are learning, if you are getting benefited from my videos, then they too can get benefit from my videos. That is my hope, and I hope my wish will be granted. So give it a thumbs up if you really like my video. See you in the next video. Take care. Goodbye.